We are so spoiled. We get to see our patients every day, and those patients are making rapid progress every day. This is the jump start to their recovery.
I came here and saw how collaborative it was, that nursing is just one component of the person's whole care plan. So we are working together as a team to develop a plan to help that person become independent, get back where they want to be.
Patients are not as medically complex as they are in acute care. They're ready to do hard work, but then you're also handing them off to home care, outpatient therapy, the next step in their journey. It's not the end of the road. And we're there to cheer them along. They're the ones doing the hard work. We're just helping them through the steps to get them to where they want to be.
The work that goes on here is meaningful, provides excellent outcomes.
It's very interdisciplinary here. As you work with therapy, the doctors are really responsive.
We all work together, we're a team, and it's very cohesive here.
The collaboration and the team effort is really, really critical and something that's very highly valued here.
It's a great place to work. I've enjoyed, my management. I enjoy the people I work with.
The way you feel supported here. It's so much different from any other job I've ever had.
The people that take care of here, I see them like my family. I love to do this job. It's not that I do it because of the money, it's because I love taking care of people.
The way everybody works together as a team to really actually help rehab these people and go home and they can do it themselves at home is great.
I'd say we have a good amount that go straight home from here, which is great considering what they come in with: motor vehicle accidents, spinal cord injuries where they can't move their legs. We're able to get them to the point where they're able to go home and live a somewhat independent lifestyle.
The inpatient rehab, it's truly the best place to see the most amount of change. You're talking 3 hours of therapy a day, and that's one-on-one therapy.
Seeing someone go from a level 1 mobility, which means they can only walk with therapy, to a level 3 mobility, meaning they can walk on their own now. It's very fulfilling seeing people heal.
It's fun to be in such an intensive environment and really push our patients to do the best that they can do, because that sets them up for greater success when they leave us.
The rehab is remarkable. I was with a patient last Thursday and I came in back Monday, and the amount of progress they'd made in just those couple days is honestly unbelievable. And I told her that. I was like, you are doing amazing. I am so proud of how far you've come.
I really try to advocate for people to at least entertain the idea of inpatient rehab, because you really get to make a huge impact on the lives of others and see the fruit of your labor, and I feel very blessed to get to come to work every day.